Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to inject magnesium sulfate. First, always verify the correct dose and concentration of the medication. Next, gather all your essential equipment, including the syringe, needle, and antiseptic wipes. It is crucial to confirm the patient's identity and clearly explain the procedure to them. Remember to perform thorough hand hygiene and wear appropriate personal protective equipment before starting. Once prepared, select the correct injection site, which could be intramuscular or intravenous depending on the order. Thoroughly cleanse the chosen area with an antiseptic solution, allowing it to air dry completely. Administer the magnesium sulfate slowly and steadily, following the prescribed rate of administration. During this process, carefully observe the patient for any immediate adverse reactions, such as discomfort or changes in their condition. After the injection, gently apply pressure to the site with a clean swab once the needle is withdrawn. Ensure all sharps and medical waste are disposed of safely and correctly in designated containers. Continuously monitor the patient's vital signs, including blood pressure and heart rate, and assess their neurological status for any changes. Finally, meticulously document all administration details, including the exact time and the precise dose given. Safety is paramount when administering magnesium sulfate. Always check for any patient allergies before giving the medication. Be vigilant for potential side effects, such as flushing, sweating, or a drop in blood pressure. It is critical to have calcium gluconate readily available as an antidote for magnesium toxicity. Never administer this medication to patients diagnosed with severe heart block or kidney failure without careful consideration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.